Have you tried stir-fry beef with Chiu Chow style chili oil? Let's make this quick and easy meal prep with Kum Kee. Cut in half first, cut about 1 cm thick. To marinate the beef with Kum Kee premium soy sauce, Kum Kee pure sesame oil. To mix it, thin sauce, cream powder, sugar, potato starch. To mix it well, julienne some vegetables. So now we're going to cook the vegetables. Garlic inside, capsicum, red onions, and green beans. Very colorful. And it smells good too. Put the oil in the hot pan. All the vegetables back to the pan. Kum Kee Chiu Chow style chili oil. So now we add the seasoning sauce. And lastly, prepare the spring onions. So now we put the beef on the container. So now we garnish the beef, sesame seed,